Kapan lagi kita berbincang dan berterus terang.
Welcome to a Fishakeem_reacts Vlogmas episodes.
Hi guys, what is up to y'all? Welcome and welcome back. If you guys are new, welcome. So on this reaction, we're gonna react to VANNY VABIOLA. This is her official music video. So it's called Ada RINDU UNTUKMU. So it's Vlogmas guys, and I really want to check out some other things that I haven't checked out before. So this is actually gonna be my first time checking out her music video that is the most viewed or popular on her official page. And I do like her voice. Her voice is so cute, relaxing, enjoyable, right? So I want to check this out, right? I don't know if this is gonna be in English or whatever, but English or not, I'll be loving it, right? Because her voice is very, very remarkable. Oh yes guys, and I'm from Jamaica. Love from Jamaica, greetings from Jamaica, where Bob Marley's from. If you guys do have an awareness about Bob Marley, well yeah, I'm from this country where he was from. So I'll see you there. Peace, let's check out right now. Peace. Okay guys, so let's dive in.
Kapan lagi kita berbincang dan berterus terang? Kapankah lagi?
Guys, the reason why I love VANNY VABIOLA's voice so much is that it always brings a smile to my face. It always brings joy to my heart. If you guys are going through a depression mode and you guys do like beautiful voices and you guys have heard a lot of songs but none seems to be working, feel free to check out VANNY VABIOLA. She's that powerful to change your mood around completely. Her voice is as if it's like you are near a ocean, right? Or for instance, you are at a beach, right? And the day is so amazing. I always use the description to describe her voice. The day is so amazing. And when you sit and you feel the love that is coming from the ocean, the breeze, the atmosphere is just so perfect at the right time. This is how VANNY VABIOLA voice is like. It is just so relaxing. A relaxing voice. Let's continue.
Ku rasakan sunyi mencekam, hati pun tersiksa. Ada rindu untukmu, seperti denganmu kekasih.
Whoa. There is nothing more amazing of when a woman can sing with just so much passion, so much love. There's so much to her voice than we think. There's so much to get from her voice than we think. There's so much to learn about this woman than we think. Why there is always so much beautiful people out there in the world that can sing so amazing, especially VANNY VABIOLA. Enchanting. I want more. Let's continue.
Begitu hatiku tak ingin kau jauh darimu. Lembutnya sinar di matamu, sayang.
Even though I'm not understanding what she's saying, but I can feel what she's saying. Just beautiful, guys. You guys won't even understand how powerful is this woman to me right now when she comes on to listening to her. It's giving me a positive vibration of impression. the way I'm impressing myself right now, you guys won't even understand how I'm feeling happy right now hearing this woman's voice. Ah, whoa. She's a really special person, trust me.
Kau begitu seadanya, namun berkata sendu hati ini.
She's so beautiful. Shit. Whoa, whoa, whoa. And I won't forget, right? The entire video was shot in an excellent background. It is calm, beautiful, right? The atmosphere around this video is giving the same impression where I'm at right now, and I'm in Jamaica, and the connection is just right. Connection is just right.
Kapan lagi kita berbincang dan berterus terang?
Oh, I think I've heard that part already, but thank you, Jesus, for some beautiful people. I want more.
Kapan, kapankah lagi ku rasakan sunyi mencekam, hati pun tersiksa.
She's so cute, and her voice blends in with her cuteness. I'm like, whoa, whoa, whoa.
Ada rindu untukmu, seperti daunmu kekasih, begitu hatiku tak.
There's not a day in my life I've done a reaction to her and I'm not feeling alive. I'm feeling so well right now. So well. My well-being is at its peak right now, listening to this woman.
Ingin ku jauh darimu, lembutnya sinar di matamu, sayang. Kau begitu seadanya, namun berkata sendu hati ini.
Astounding video, astounding song, astounding voice. Not understanding what she's saying, but you guys supposed to get my reaction towards this.
Sayang, hati ini.
Wow. Wow. Miss VANNY VABIOLA, excellent song, excellent video, amazing voice. If you guys do like my reaction, don't forget to leave a like on the video, smash the subscribe button to become a member of my Jamaican traditional movement. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace.